Did you know that your brain generates about 12 to 25 watts of electricity? That's enough to power a low-wattage LED light. Imagine the possibilities nestled within the folds of your mind. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the labyrinth of the human brain, exploring 10 fascinating facts that showcase its incredible capabilities and providing tips to keep this vital organ healthy and thriving. So, buckle up and get ready for an enlightening adventure. Prepare to power up your mind as we dive into these electrifying brain facts. Ever wonder how many memories your brain can hold? Imagine the vastness of a library that stretches beyond the horizon, each book brimming with the details of every moment you've ever experienced. This isn't just fantasy. It's quite close to the reality of how your brain stores memories. In digital terms, the human brain is estimated to hold over 1 million gigabytes of data. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Memories aren't just piled haphazardly in the mind's vast storeroom. They're neatly categorized into short-term and long-term memory, each serving a unique purpose. Short-term memory acts like a sticky note, briefly capturing necessary details before they either fade away or get transferred to the more permanent long-term memory. Curious about the extents of our memory's capacity? Try to guess how long the longest recorded memory span is. Got your guess? It's astounding but true. Some memories can span nearly an entire lifetime. Just like a computer, your brain's memory can be optimized. Stay tuned for tips on enhancing your memory. Why do we dream at night? Dreams have fascinated scientists and philosophers for centuries, and yet they still weave mysteries around our understanding of the human brain. One prevailing theory is that dreaming is a form of overnight therapy. As we navigate through our day, we accumulate a myriad of emotions and experiences. Dreams, in essence, help us process these, providing emotional regulation. Think of them as a mind's way to declutter, sort through the emotional residue of the day, and make sense of the world. Another intriguing aspect is memory consolidation. During REM sleep, the stage most associated with vivid dreams, our brain is believed to strengthen memories and integrate learned skills. This isn't just shuffling old files, it's more like reinforcing the architecture of our knowledge and experiences. Now, let's get interactive. Head to the comments and share the most bizarre dream you've ever had. Let's explore the wild tapestry of our subconscious together. Dreams aren't just stories, they're your brain's way of processing and resting. Is it true that old dogs can't learn new tricks? Not when it comes to the human brain. Imagine your brain as a dynamic network, constantly rerouting and enhancing its pathways. This remarkable ability is called neuroplasticity. It's the brain's way of tuning itself to meet the demands of your life. Neuroplasticity means that every time you learn something new or modify your habits, your brain forms or strengthens neural connections. This isn't just limited to childhood, it continues throughout your life. Whether you're picking up a new language at 30, learning to paint at 50, or adopting a new technology at 70, your brain adapts and evolves. This adaptability is crucial, not only for acquiring new skills, but also for recovery from injuries. For instance, when one part of the brain is damaged, other parts can sometimes take over the lost functions, thanks to the flexibility provided by neuroplasticity. Harnessing the power of neuroplasticity can transform your life. Let's learn how. Ever felt butterflies in your stomach when nervous? Guess where that starts? Deep within the brain, nestled under the cerebral cortex, lies the limbic system, a complex set of structures that orchestrate our emotional life. This system includes the amygdala, hippocampus, and hypothalamus, each playing a pivotal role in how we experience the world emotionally. The amygdala, for instance, triggers our fight or flight response, ramping up our heart rate and making us more alert in stressful situations. Our emotions, whether joy, fear, or sadness, are not just passing feelings but crucial signals that help guide our decisions and interactions. By processing these emotions, the limbic system influences both our mood and memory, essentially coloring our perceptions and experiences. Understanding this emotional processing center can empower us to better manage our feelings. Techniques such as mindfulness and cognitive behavioral strategies can help us gain more control over our emotional responses, leading to improved mental health and well-being. Controlling emotions starts with understanding your brain. Ready for some emotional intelligence tips? What if you had a pharmacy in your head? Imagine the convenience. Well, in a way, you do. Nestled within the intricate networks of your brain are tiny factories tirelessly producing chemical compounds that influence nearly every aspect of your being. These are neurotransmitters, the brain's own molecules of emotion and feeling. Dopamine, often dubbed the feel-good chemical, plays a pivotal role in pleasure and reward. It motivates us, driving us toward activities that are satisfying or beneficial. Then there's serotonin, the key to our mood stability. It helps regulate sleep, appetite, and even our emotional responses. But how does your brain decide what to release and when? It's all about balance and response to the environment. Experiences, thoughts, and even the food you eat can influence these chemical outputs, making you feel a range of emotions from joy to sadness. Understanding and nurturing this internal pharmacy requires a delicate balance. Your brain's chemistry set is powerful. Up next, how to balance these chemicals naturally. Want to supercharge your brain? Let's dive into how the right foods and activities can do just that. First up, the power of omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like salmon and walnuts. These nutrients help build and repair brain cells, and they're essential for peak brain function. Combine these with vibrant berries, rich in antioxidants, to fight against brain aging and enhance memory performance. Now, how about some brain-boosting activities? Engaging in regular physical exercise, such as brisk walking or yoga, can increase blood flow to the brain, which is critical for stimulating cognitive functions and neuron growth. And let's not forget mental workouts. Solving puzzles, learning a new language, or even playing a musical instrument can significantly enhance your brain's processing speed and problem-solving skills. Here's a quick quiz for you. What's considered the best brain-boosting food? If you guessed berries, you're absolutely right. Feeding your brain the right stuff can boost its performance. Let's put this into practice. Pulling an all-nighter? You might want to think again. Sleep isn't just a passive state where the brain shuts down. It's a bustling time of essential activity that supports vital brain functions. When we drift into the world of dreams, our brain busily processes the day's memories, consolidating them for long-term storage. This is why, after a good night's sleep, you might find it easier to recall what you learned the previous day. But there's more to sleep than just memory magic. During sleep, our brain also engages in a crucial cleanup process. It's like the night shift coming in to clear away the metabolic waste accumulated during a day of vigorous neural activity. This includes the clearance of beta amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Without sufficient sleep, this process is hindered, potentially leading to cognitive decline over time. So how much sleep do we need to support these critical functions? Experts typically recommend between 7 to 9 hours per night. A well-rested brain is a high-functioning brain. Discover how to optimize your sleep next. Mindfulness, a trend or a brain essential. In the bustling rhythm of modern life, the ancient practice of mindfulness has emerged not just as a trend, but as a vital tool for mental health and brain wellness. At its core, mindfulness involves being fully present and engaged in the moment, aware of our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Studies have shown that regular mindfulness practice can significantly reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. This is because mindfulness helps decrease activity in the amygdala, the part of the brain associated with fear and emotion processing, and increases connections in the prefrontal cortex, which governs our ability to think rationally and calmly. Moreover, mindfulness has been found to enhance cognitive flexibility, allowing us to adapt to new situations with less resistance and more grace. It also improves concentration and attention, which are crucial for both academic and professional success. Embracing mindfulness doesn't require hours of meditation each day. Even a few minutes can be beneficial. It's about quality, not quantity. A mindful brain is a healthy brain. Let's explore how to cultivate mindfulness. How do you shield your brain from harm? It's a vital question, as the brain is not just the control center of your body. It's the keeper of your memories, emotions, and abilities. To protect this critical organ, a combination of physical safety measures and mental health practices is essential. Firstly, wearing protective gear during activities like cycling or skiing can dramatically reduce the risk of traumatic brain injuries. It's a simple step, but wearing a helmet can be the difference between a minor accident and a life-altering injury. Equally important is the protection against cognitive decline. Engaging in regular mental exercises, such as puzzles, reading, and even learning a new language, can help maintain cognitive function as you age. Additionally, managing stress through techniques like yoga or meditation not only soothes your mind, but also shields your brain from the degenerative effects of chronic stress. Commit to adding one of these brain protective practices into your routine. Whether it's picking up a book more often or strapping on a helmet during your morning bike ride, every small habit counts. Your brain is your most valuable asset. Protect it like a treasure. Fascinated by what you've just learned? There's more where that came from. Dive deeper into the mysteries of the human brain by becoming part of our vibrant Brainiac community. Here, curiosity never sleeps and every click brings a new discovery. Don't miss out on our exclusive content that's designed to tickle your neurons and help you foster a healthier, more resilient mind. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check out the links in the description for more insights. Join our community of curious minds and continue your journey to a healthier, sharper brain. Subscribe and turn on notifications now.